Imagine you're on a trip to Japan. You're standing in front of a vending machine, eyeing that limited edition Pikachu drink. You have the yen in your pocket, but you're not sure if your card will work. A wave of disappointment washes over you as you imagine leaving empty-handed. Ever been in that situation? You're on vacation, ready to splurge, but your card just won't cooperate? It's a total buzzkill, isn't it? Well, today, we're going to talk about a solution that might just save your next trip, the YouTrip card. Before we dive into the speed of the YouTrip card, let's understand why speed matters when it comes to travel cards. In today's fast-paced world, we expect everything to be instant. From ordering food to streaming movies, we want it now. And when we're traveling, we want our transactions to be seamless and quick. The YouTrip card, a speed demon. So, how fast is the YouTrip card? Well, let's just say it's a speed demon. Thanks to its advanced technology, the YouTrip card can process transactions in a flash. No more waiting around for your payment to go through. It's like magic. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea of just how fast the YouTrip card is, let's look at some real-world examples. Imagine you're in a bustling market in Thailand, trying to grab a bite to eat before the vendor closes. With the YouTrip card, you can make your payment in seconds, ensuring you don't miss out on that delicious street food. Or perhaps you're in a hurry to catch your flight and need to grab a quick coffee. No problem. The YouTrip card's lightning-fast transactions will have you sipping your coffee in no time. The benefits of speed. But speed isn't just about convenience. It also has practical benefits. For example, when you're traveling, every second counts. If you're trying to catch a train or bus, a slow transaction could mean missing your ride. With the YouTrip card, you can avoid these stressful situations. Beyond speed. Of course, the YouTrip card is more than just a fast transaction machine. It also offers other benefits, such as competitive exchange rates and cashback rewards. But for those who value speed and efficiency, the YouTrip card is a game changer. So, if you're tired of slow transactions and want to make your travels as stress-free as possible, the YouTrip card is definitely worth considering. With its lightning-fast processing times, you can focus on enjoying your trip and leave the worries about payments behind. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy travels.